Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators and this is today's market update for October 7, 2020. If you look at the chart here, the SPY daily chart, so as we told you, the market, they put it back up, they pull it back down, they put it back up. So they pulled back down yesterday and today they put it back up again. So we are testing the resistance level here. So the market, as long as they can hold it up here, they break this yellow line here, it's about 342.38. The market will have more in the uptrend. So right now we will stay below this yellow line here. So as long as you stay there, we still stuck into this range here until they tell you clearly where they'll be able to clear out this area. So if you look at the smaller time frame, you can see that this area that we have been testing for many days here. Okay, since beginning of September, we fell here. We fell here and we fell yesterday, and today we go right there and we get stuck right here. So we still don't know what they're going to do. Let's see tomorrow. They'll be able to pull back and then they'll be able to break out. All right, so let's see. Okay, as long as we stay below this yellow line here, we still sideways correction. But if we be able to break this line here, definitely that will be a new trend changing for the upside. So it look like they try to be momentum here. So one good news come out, they can put the market up again, and then we'll continue to the upside. Other than that, we will go sideways and let's see where they go. So if you are a day trader, so you can see that every day in our live trading room, we'll be able to guide our member so that they can make some quick daily income. So every morning, the first hour when the market open, okay, the market breakout, people jump in. So in the first half hour, they make 15 points. After that, the market it turn around, they pull back down, and then they take another trade, and they pull back to the support. They make another trade for 7 points. That 20 point total is done for the day. So and then let the FOMO come in, do whatever they want to do, and then we call for the day. So this is the kind of routine that we do every day in our live trading room. So besides we do a day trade future, we also focus on a lot of swing trade for stock. If you look at a lot of stock that we have been doing, okay, they are doing very well. And right now, the main sector is the utility sector. You have been followed the last couple of weeks. The stock is very strong. So you can see that it break out and continue to put the upside. So you can see a lot of stock like solar stock, right? PWR, they are extremely doing well the last couple of days. And FSLR, First Solar, they all hit the home run, as you can see here. Okay, so this is kind of a trade that we are analyzing every day in our live trading room. And so that the utility sector is very strong right now. And you can see that that's how they are doing. Okay, XEL and anything related to the clean energy, they try to be the bait and try to break out sooner or later here. And a lot of stuff from we have been monitor, you know, it have been pulled up yesterday, and right now they come back and try to retest it, or they're looking for it if the market be able to break out. All those stocks they will be able to find a way to put it up also. So IWM, so you can see that this one here, everybody is trying to find a way to break out right now. So if all of them are to break out, the market will continue to go higher. So a lot of popular storage it also try to return. EXR, okay, it's still doing well. And transportation it also doing very well, like FedEx. You can see here it's continue to the upside, and public storage they also doing extremely well, as you can see here. So so seems like the market it trying to find a way to be the bait here. As long as you know we'll be able to break out this area here. We have been tested for a couple of times here. So if we're able to break out, we will find a way to put it up again. Other than that, we will go sideways, and then sooner or later, seems like that's the way the market is going to head it higher. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. So thank you very much for stopping by. If you would like to learn how to day trade to make some extra daily income and learn how to do swing trade so you can make a bigger profit potential by trading stock, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.